Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shivangi
My name is Rohit. Welcome back.
and this series is going to go under Gateway from Hyderabad. But आज हम हैदराबाद से थोड़ा ज़्यादा दूर आ गए हैं, which is I think about 4-5 hours away from
200
Hyderabad.
kilometers.
Yeah, and other thing is we've been invited by Telangana Tourism
Finally.
to
मतलब साल के first trip में ही we are invited by
yeah.
Telangana Tourism.
Today is 6th of January 2023. So yeah, we started in the morning about 8 o'clock and बीच में हम लोग काफ़ी सारे stops लेके we reached here at around 4 o'clock.
मतलब हाँ
3:50 4 o'clock around. And वो सब आप obviously दूसरे clips में देखोगे कि क्या क्या हम लोगों ने किया and all of those things. But other than that, we're just so happy to be here. And the property that we are staying in right now is Feriado Resort, which is in Tadwai, which is part of Telangana Tourism. And the property is basically built in nature. So there's like you have to actually cross a jungle wherein there's no network for almost 20 kilometers and then you have to come here. So it's a drive about 4 hours from Hyderabad.
more than that maybe तो वो हम थोड़ी देर में confirm करेंगे आपको because हम and the property is very peaceful काफी शांत है एकदम nature
क्योंकि
के बीच
जंगल
में
के बीच में है and you guys know that we love jungle, we love our wildlife and anything related to nature. So this is definitely that and I will give you now the
we are
room
very
tour.
much excited for the day.
We just had a chai break and now we are heading back to the bus to go to the first stop of where we're going. Hi guys, what's up? So right now we are at the first stop with Telangana Tourism, which is Ramappa Temple, and this is one of the oldest temples here.
So basically it's 800-year-old temple है and this is the only temple in our country which is named after the architect जिसने बनाया है and not
His name is Ramappa.
Yes.
The craftsman basically who built the entire temple, and we've given you the tour of it in the previous video. The video before this, you would see that there's like a lot of craftsmanship involved in the entire temple, and
it took 40 years for the construction of the temple. Telangana's only temple which comes under UNESCO heritage site and India's 40th. So quite
and President Munu also visited very
last
recently. And यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे बंदर हैं, काफ़ी सारे गेस्ट भी आ गए हैं आज. Today Friday and बाहर में काफ़ी सारी गाड़ियाँ थी and like you can see हमारे आगे पीछे भी बहुत सारे लोग आज विजिट कर रहे हैं. And
the reason behind it is under UNESCO is because this is made up of sandbox technique. तो बेसिकली जितना हमको समझ में आया ना, जितने हमने सुना है, सो इधर बहुत साल पहले अर्थक्वेक आया था बट इस टेम्पल को कुछ नहीं हुआ बिकॉज इट वाज मेड अप ऑफ सैंडबॉक्स टेक्निक.
Now we'll go to the next spot and see what's next for us. Going back to the bus and going to our next destination जहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि नेटवर्क नहीं रहने वाला है. So there's like that's the way to temple and then you come from here and right from where they are coming you come here and then you get in the bus. So now I'll show you the room. As soon as you open it, this is what it is. We've just kept our luggage here right now. There's like enough storage and stuff. That's the mirror. And you also have a cupboard, which obviously I don't think we'll use because we're here only for one day. This is the room. This is like a little bit of setting here, seating area. And yes, thank you. You have that view and also a little bit of chai setup there. And okay, there are 2 water bottles and kettle, cup, chai, and all of those things. And that's how it is. And you have a window here as well. And that's how the entire room looks like. They also left a cute note and a flower here. So this is how the cottages are made over here. There are a total of 30. And that's the view. Like there's a pool in between. And sari jagah cottages hai. The swimming pool is also quite big. So you know, you guys, I mean, people can actually get in and chill there for a while because it's big enough to accommodate a lot of people, at least if you were coming with, you know, group of friends or something. And this is yet to be made, but this will be ready I think by the time you guys come, because it's a fairly new property and they're still working on it. Guys, everyone's chilling in the pool. We are sitting out क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी है कि हम pool में चले जाते हैं, so we are still sitting, but people are having fun there. And उससे ज़्यादा it's been quite relaxing, quite nice. And it's lit all over, like they have you know, I'll just show you, trees के ऊपर पूरी lights लगी हुई, so that means it's really nice. And हम इधर टर्न होके बात करें क्योंकि हमारे सामने लाइट है and यहाँ पे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे बंदर हैं. And you should not be relaxed, Rohi, they're not gonna take this. And yeah, we are suggested to not have an encounter with them, and even if we do, like, you know, just don't have eye contact with them so that, you know, they don't attack you or anything. They're right around, but the whole property has so many monkeys. Hi guys, what's up? This is new day and we are going for kayaking. It's 6:50 in the morning. 6:50 in the morning. We just woke up. I mean, we woke up a while ago. Oops. So there were a lot of monkeys there, so we had to get the phone down because otherwise they will come and, you know, they might take the phone and all. But yeah, we just woke up and today's plan is basically to go for kayaking right now, which we're definitely really excited about. And it was a lot of fun when we did it for the first time because I didn't know how it feels and, you know, when you do it, how it is and all of that. It was a lot of fun. And now I'll show you around because it looks really nice. The sun is rising right in front of us with the naked tree. So it's a really nice view. So that's where the sun's rising, but camera is doing absolutely no justice. And look at these babies. It's basically their territory and we're just living in it.
Yeah.
So good. Guys, if you've been following us, you know कि जब हम last time Mango Mist गए थे तब हमने फिर kayaking first time किया था. And this is our second time and in Telangana. Super excited because the view is so good here. अभी of course रोही पूरी मेहनत कर रहा है because it's floating, हवा इधर की है तो. But I'll show you the view right now. Look at the view. It's surreal. We've come from there and we are here. The goal is to actually just go back from here now. It's 9 o'clock and we're back from kayaking and the breakfast is ready. There are so many varieties in breakfast today. Really excited to eat because all of it is veg. You see the monkeys. So because the property is in between the jungle, there are so many monkeys. Look at this. So that's also one of the things where we are going. That's called the Machan. And वहाँ पे भी ऊपर बैठ के आराम से चाय कॉफ़ी वगैरह पी सकते हो. Looks really nice and we're going up there now. What's up guys, so day one with Feriado Resort is done. We just had our breakfast and took a tour of the property as well. So there are in total 30 cottages and they're priced very reasonably. So I'm going to leave the details below. And like we said, it's about 4 hours drive from Hyderabad. So, you know, pretty easy to actually just come here, chill here, because it's in between nature, and you know, everything seems to be pretty reasonable and nice here, especially in terms of the stay, because we really like the rooms and the way they are. And the services were for the room was also very
Yes.
quick. We've had tea 7 in the morning, and you know, then we went for kayaking and stuff. So it's been chill, and there are no restrictions. रात को भी कल हम लोग 2 बजे
हाँ,
तक
2
बैठे हुए
बजे
थे,
तक बैठे थे, काफी
and nobody
सही
told
से।
anything. There was a speaker going on and all of that. So that was plus plus. Today we are checking out from here and going for trekking and all of that. That you would see in the another vlog. But yeah, do you have to say anything?
Again, it was a very good experience, but हाँ थोड़ा service is something that needs to be improved, and we have given the feedback and we are hoping कि things are very much better when you guys come here. And सही है बाकी सब. Veg food again थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर ध्यान रखना चाहिए. And again we have given the feedback, so we are hoping कि when you are here you are
It's all good. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next vlog.